Hello guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. For today's tutorial, we are going to look at importing Basemaps into into our QGIS projects. So I have opened a recent project, one that we had worked on in the previous videos. So we can see that I have some vector data here. These are parishes for Kampala. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add in Basemaps. We are going to use this HCM GIS. So I click on it. When I click on it, we can see that Basemaps are here. So to start with, let me start with Google Maps. Give it some time. We see that it has loaded. So Google Maps is there. So for those of you who don't have this tool here, what you need to do is simple. We need to go to plugins here, then plugins, manage and install plugins. I click here. Give it some few seconds to load. So when we come here, we'll go to settings. We should turn this off, the experimental plugins, and also these ones. So these two kinds of plugins should be turned off. Then we go to all. So to all, we type HCM. So you can see that main is already installed. So for those of you that don't have it installed, you click there, and then down here you will see the install button. So you install it. So let me turn back the base map, Google Maps. So this is the Google Maps we have. When I say zoom to layer, it's taking some time to load. So this is the data we have, and this is our base map, the Google Maps. So we can as well as put in other base maps. Let us try Google Satellite. As for Google Satellite, this is what we have. Let's try importing another base map. Let us try, what kind of base map should we try now? Let's try this. So we can see it's almost similar to the Google Set Map, but for it is its resolution is better than that of the Google Satellite. I think we can see. So if I try to put on the Google Satellite and turn this off, we can see